As a samurai investor, your primary goal is to obtain ownership of your first fief. A fief is a money-producing asset based on a human need. Food, shelter, and supply chain assets are the most common form of modern-day fiefs. Investors with fiefs will benefit from a captive audience in that people inevitably have to do business with you. There is simply no way around it. And that is precisely why samurai investors are among the wealthiest of the 6 financial warrior classes of invest like a warrior. Japan is a tiny country when compared to other Asian countries. Consequently, fiefs in Japan were far more valuable than they were in other countries. As a result, vicious wars were fought over control of these fiefs. In response to all of the warfare, a specialized warrior class known as samurai emerged. The word samurai means to serve. Thus, it was the job of a samurai to serve society by protecting its money-producing assets from a hostile takeover. Rice fields, fishing villages, mines, ports, and forests were examples of fiefs samurai managed and protected. In return for their service, every samurai would be granted their own personal fief. For example, the low-ranking samurai might be given a tea merchant. This small yet stable source of income would allow a samurai to take care of his family while he was away at war, and sustain his family in his death. As samurai moved through the ranks, their fiefs grew in size. For example, a high-ranking samurai might be granted an entire rice farm. A rice farm would have made a samurai family very rich, but owning a rice farm came with many responsibilities. It was the job of the samurai to protect the farmers from bandits and, more importantly, other samurai clans. It was also the job of the samurai to ensure the rice was collected and distributed among his provinces. And should a samurai fail in his duties, his fief could be taken away and given to another power-hungry samurai. Modern-day examples of fiefs. In the modern era, fiefs are anything type of physical investment that fulfills a human need. Most fiefs are no longer earned through the killing of your adversaries. Instead, they are purchased with cash or credit. Here are some excellent examples of modern-day fiefs. Real estate fiefs. Real estate is considered by many to be the greatest form of investing, because people always need a place to live. Real estate rarely loses its value over time, especially in the post-COVID world, where single-family real estate prices are hitting all-time highs. Single-family real estate. It's been said that America is turning into a nation of renters, and with housing prices where they are, this trend is only expected to continue. That is why single-family homes are such valuable fiefs. Families will always need places to live, and single-family homes offer amenities that apartments just can't. Multi-family real estate. Homes designed for multiple families, such as duplexes, represent multi-family real estate. Frat and sorority houses also fall under this category. These homes offer multiple sources of income and are almost always in high demand. Many samurai investors get their start in real estate by purchasing a duplex, living in one half, and renting out the other. Airbnbs. While most Airbnbs and these tend to be vacation rentals, many of them converted their homes into full-time businesses. For example, a controversial model is purchasing a home near a medical center and renting exclusively to families in town for medical procedures. While some may see this as a moral hazard, owners of these homes view themselves as providing society with a much-needed service. Before you start investing in fiefs, remember these 3 rules. 1. With great money-making power comes great responsibility. Fiefs can be extremely profitable. However, all thieves come with very real responsibilities. If you are a landlord, you do have an obligation to provide a safe building for your rentees to occupy. Take these responsibilities seriously, or a thief can quickly turn into a financial burden. 2. Thieves are a long game, which can take years to see a payoff. Unlike most other asset classes, competition over thieves can be much more extreme. At the same time, it may take you several years to win your first thief. 3. Be wary of leveraged debt. No matter the business model, the thief, there will always be an underlying physical asset. Land, buildings, homes, machines, trucks, etc. As a result, lenders will always look favorably on those with thieves. They will almost always be able to underwrite extension of credit, which can, in turn, use this power with extreme caution. One only needs to look at the COVID-19 eviction moratorium and see how many over-leveraged landlords have been forced to sell their properties.